Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. I'm your English teacher and my name is Rafi Manouver. So we will start our lecture with today's good saying, which is good manners are just a way of showing other people that we have respect for them. So let's start our today's lecture. Open your Readnow book and the page number is, okay dear students, open page number 19 of your Readnow book. Today we are going to start the reading and explanation of the poem Ducks Ditty. Dear students, ditty means short and simple song sung by the ducks. And in this poem, the poet is telling us about how ducks are enjoying and swimming and how they are finding their food. So write CW and short date at the top of your page and let's start the reading and explanation of the poem. All along the backwater, through the rushy store, ducks are dabbling up tails all. Dear students, rushes means to move forward and dabbling means putting their heads in the water and their tails are up. Like in this way we can see here, the duck is putting his head in the water and his tail is up. We can see in this picture also. Yes, in these lines, the poet is saying ducks are swimming in the river. Yes, we can see here. And while swimming, they are putting their heads in the water down. They are trying to find some food for themselves. And then they take out their heads out of the water. Now next lines are duck's tails, drake's tails, yellow feet a quiver. Yellow bills are out of sight, busy in the river. Dear students, drakes is a male gender of duck. And quiver means shake, bills mean beak, sight means not visible, out of sight, not visible. The poet is saying they have yellow feet and they shake for swimming. They are putting their yellow color beak inside the water and they are always busy in the river. When they try to swim, when they try to find their food, they are moving, they are swimming, they are dancing. And they are in groups. They are moving in groups, dancing in groups and finding food in groups. Slushy green undergrowth, where the fish swim, here we keep our ladder, cool and full and dim. Dear students, slushy means full of or covered. Ladder is a place where they can store their food. The poet is telling that side of the river is covered with tall grass and small, where the fishes are swimming. And here the ducks are finding food for eating. So they put their heads inside the water and they catch the fish or any small living animals. So all the ducks, they pick some eatable items and they are keeping it for one place. So they are cool, they are enjoying and dancing. Everyone for what he likes, we like to be. Heads down, tails up, dabbling free. So, if one duck put its head down, everyone's do the same act. They try to copy each other. They dance, they shout. And they are showing their happiness by making sounds. High in the blue above, swifts whirl and call. We are down a dabbling up tails all. The water of the river is blue. We can see the color of the water is blue. In this blue river, they swim, they flow, and they put their heads down and tails up. They flap their wings and search for fish. Dear students, swift means they move very fastly and whirl means round and round. So what they are doing in Blue River, they flow, they put their heads down and tails up, and they flap their wings and search for foods, and they are how they are showing their happiness. Yes, dear students, have you seen how the ducks are enjoying swimming and finding their food? How the ducks are swimming in the river, and while swimming they are putting their heads down in the water and their tails are up. They are in groups. They are moving, swimming and dancing and enjoying also their food. So dear students, I hope you enjoyed the poem. Now let's start the words meanings. So dear students, take out your English LIT notebook, draw margin line, write CW, mention date, write topic which is ducks Ditty. Exercise number is 1, write the meanings. So let's start. First word is dabbling. And what is the meaning of dabbling? Dabbling means playing in water. Like these ducks are playing by putting their heads down in the water. Now, so dabbling means playing in water. Second word is drake. And do you know what is the meaning of drake? Drake means male duck. Next word is larder. And what is the meaning of larder? Larder means food store. Like we have seen in the poem. Ducks are stored their food in tall grass. So what is the meaning of larder? Larder means food store. Now number 4th word is whirl. And what is the meaning of whirl? Whirl means spin or rotate. Like this pencil is rotating. So what is the meaning of whirl? Whirl means spin or rotate.